See here.
I feel laughing again, didn't I?
See the way we look for Jack. We can look for Jack. There you go. Yep. Look, you have good here.
I'm so nice and I'm feeling right. When the music hits you, makes you wanna lose control.
Yo,
Control.
I come
Like a cloud we are float right now.
Gary.
And we not come down. Take a
We know what
pic
you
in
mean.
the drop top. Face well pretty pan Snapchat. And the DJ
Rain. The way the bad man them say hurricane or storm not gonna come through. Let me see about this one because see about this one because so them say. But anyway, link back when you reach on the end cars. I tell you. On the road. Oh, the way they're going up here.
Playing something up again, we want have some fun. Tired of the boring yard to sit down. We not sleep, we are bleach. A long time now, we not have no fun. Tired of the boring yard to sit down.
We're gonna get some food right now because I'm starving.
You know what?
Literally.
I gotta stop video right so until me get the food because it's not safe to drive and do this at the same time. Okay. Anyway, so me reach at the famous Pan Friday.
Yeah.
I go because anyway, see that? Famous Pan Friday. Oh hell yeah.
Very delicious.
That's what's that? Barbecue chicken pot? No. Jerk chicken pasta.
Wow.
And this is Barbie fried chicken. And let me tell you, a lunch special. The famous Pan Fridays and Pan Fire.
It's very...
Food smell good. Can't wait to eat it.
Why panda one day?
Yeah,
You was saying can't wait to eat it.
No. I mean food when we go home. Yeah, man.
Just the vibes, just the vibes.
Upwards of 40 miles an hour.
Got this out. So what I got right now. The board as shit inside of the house. Drink it. What? Why? Let me get some.
While there is still no telling where the powerful storm will make land for a tropical storm and storm surge watch, and it's with the advice of local residents, he is now heeding the warnings.
Some locals said, hey, it's going to hit us, be prepared, so we're going to go get some supplies.
At Key West High School Emergency Management allowing...
I'm gonna try to tell you about timeshare. No timeshare is. I'm gonna say no. I can get mad. I move like you want to kick over here and everything. And then we did a 3 hour through presentation and everything.
It was good, because
It was good because we got food, we learned something, and we got $145 in cash. Not even a gift card. I'm trying to give me a gift card. I say, look on the paper again. The paper said cash. And give me cash.
Yeah.
What them try to do is I say the timeshare. They might try to have to pick up a responsibility for something where you pay for. Give you a rinky-dink deed, and I say you own the place. And it's kind of like if you pay for it a month. If you don't pay for it, and them still own it. You never own it as a rinky-dink deed anyways. They're trying to sell you something that basically you're not interested in it. And then when them ready, them force it upon you, and you said, listen man, I thought I was here for... I look at him and said, I thought I was here to watch a video and do a presentation and give my opinion afterwards. And the deal sound too good. Talk about, oh, the place costs $20,000, cost $39,000, but if you do it today, it's gonna be 20, and
down payment of
of 4,000.
4,000?
Yeah.
No, the Monday come drop it to 2,000.
Oh, drop it to 2,000. Oh, that's a down payment for today, and your monthly payment will be. I said, dude, you don't get it. You're trying to sell me something that I'm not interested in. Everything look good. Me no want to call them name because me no want to get no problem because this is going to go on YouTube. I said, listen, man, you don't get it. I didn't come here to buy a place.
Yeah.
And it's not going to happen. Not today. He said, and he go get one more person. This is my executive, whatever. I don't know what this is. And me say, look, buddy, I ain't here to buy a place. This is something I have to think about. I can't make that decision today, and I will not make that decision today. Yo, the man get mad, like the man get mad. You just I say in behavior.
Yeah.
Like he want to kick over chair.
Tear the paper, throw it at the bin. All of that.
They do this every day in Orlando. I don't know if any one of you could drop a comment when you see the video. I don't know if any one of you ever get confronted by any one of these people. And they give us a 3-day vacation too, right?
Yeah, we got a 3-day vacation for, our next visit to Orlando.
So anyway, that was it, guys. You know what I'm saying?
See ya in the next video.
Alright. Peace out.